In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload first contract to Pandadoc. Once you are signed in to Pandadoc and you are on your main dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen. You will see a green button labeled Create. Go ahead and click that button to start a new document. This is the main place where Pandadoc lets you create something from a template, build from scratch, or upload a file you already have. From the menu that appears, select Upload. This option is for bringing in an existing contract file rather than designing a new one inside Pandadoc. Choose the contract file from your computer. Pandadoc supports common formats like PDF and Word, so if your contract is saved as a PDF or a Word document, you are ready to go. After you select the file, give Pandadoc a moment to upload and open it. Next, you will add the person who needs to sign. Click Add Recipients. You will then enter the signer's name and email address. Make sure you type the email carefully, since Pandadoc will use it to send the signing invitation. If there are multiple people involved in your workflow, you can add additional recipients later, but for your first contract, focus on adding the signer you need right now. Now it is time to place the fillable fields on the document. On the right side of the screen, you will see a sidebar with fields. Click and drag the fields you need onto the correct spots in the contract. The most common ones to start with are signature and date. Drop the signature field where the signer should sign, and place the date field near it, or wherever the contract requires it. Take an extra moment to confirm the fields are aligned with the right lines and that they are assigned to the correct recipient, so the right person can fill them out. When everything looks correct, go to the top right and click Send. Then choose Send via email. This will send your uploaded contract to the recipient, so they can review and sign electronically. And that is all there is to it.